Okay, so your girl has finally finished with the last result of the fried cauliflower. Honey, you cannot tell me this do not look good, so I'm about to table that. I already know it's good because I already took a little taste of whatever. But you might want to add you some salt, honey. A little bit of parsley. I forgot the name of it. Whatever you want, sazon, adobo, la 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 la, whatever. Now let's taste it. Mm. Ooh, make me want to slap my mama. I don't know. It's good. I guess this would kind of be like a substitute for chicken, or if you're on a road to becoming healthy, you want to substitute meat. Fry you some cauliflower, honey. Fry you some broccoli. Fry you some carrots, honey. Better do something. This might just be a midnight snack for me. I hate it. This is good. But, I couldn't even talk. Sorry for the TMI if I was eating my mouth. But hey. That's a busser. That's a busser. I'm gonna take a picture. It's like so buttery. It tastes buttery, silky. But this was Just Eat With Me, where you eat with me. And I'm out.